today I'm going to be Ricky's Gold Palettes, the master version. Just a little bit at the bottom. Okay, you guys, so let me show you guys how you can turn this look from day glam to night glam real quick. All you're gonna need is some liquid eyeliner, some pencil black eyeliner, and a black eyeshadow. Any tapered brush, I'm gonna use the back of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that the palettes come with, will work. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner really quickly to the top of my lid. A little bit thicker on the outer corner. And real thin on the inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my pencil black eyeliner and just zoom in a little bit. Line my inner waterline. And the top waterline. Just wipe it. And eyeliner, you guys, it's something I still struggle with. Like, I feel like it never comes out the same. But that's okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna make it work. And let me just clean this up. Then I'm gonna just blend that out a little bit, and then I'm gonna just use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and dip it into some black eyeshadow and start out with the taper side, apply it down here on my lower waterline and just diffuse it. Smoke it out. And you don't really want to bring it all the way in your inner corner. You want to keep that light there. So this is kind of like a reversed smoky eye, because I'm not really applying any black up here. And I just love this look, you guys. It's so pretty. It's still on the more neutral side, but definitely glam. Definitely ready for you to go out with your girls to the club. You know, for dinner, something cute. Something really cute and classy. Then Then I'm just going to use this lip brush here that I have. And I'm going to pick up some eyeshadow that's from my Naked Heat palette. And I'm going to mix Fuego and Cayenne and just apply that on my lips. And there you have it, guys. This is the complete look. I went from day glam to night glam real quick. And you can also do this if you want to try it, and if you want to learn how to keep doing more looks like this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching.